Hi there! In this Fast Track course Blueprint 2.0 review, I'm going to show you a system that helps you launch digital products fast using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've put together some exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab Fast Track Course Blueprint 2.0 through my link below. Check the description. You don't want to miss them. What is Fast Track Course Blueprint 2.0? Fast Track Course Blueprint 2.0 is a step-by-step digital product launch system designed to help you go from idea to live offer in just days, even if you've never created or launched anything before. It's perfect for beginners, PLR users, and creators who want to build income-generating offers fast without hiring copywriters, funnel experts, or developers. What makes this system stand out is the 7 built-in AI tools that help you create products, write sales pages, build funnels, craft upsells, even run simple ad campaigns. You don't need experience, tech skills, or a big email list. This system handles the heavy lifting and guides you every step of the way. What's included? Inside Fast Track Course Blueprint 2.0, you'll get 31 step-by-step training videos, a complete blueprint to launch your first or next product, access to 7 AI-powered tools that do the copywriting, product building, bonus creation, and funnel setup for you, lifetime access with no monthly fees. This isn't just theory. The creator actually used this system to turn a $5 PLR product into $664 in real sales. How it works. Here's a quick overview of how it works. Step 1. Use the AI tools to brainstorm and validate your product idea. Step 2. Generate your sales copy, funnel layout, and bonus stack using built-in templates. Step 3. Launch your offer with the tools provided. No guesswork, no confusion. Whether you're using PLR or creating from scratch, this system walks you through the exact steps to get live fast. Upgrades, OTOs, breakdown. Now let's talk about the upgrades you'll see after grabbing the main offer. Upsell number 1, Instant Course Asset Generator, $27. This AI tool helps you create course materials like checklists, outlines, workbooks, a huge time saver for creators. Bump offer, Money Angle Finder, $9.95. Find the perfect hook or money angle for your product. This one boosts conversions like crazy. Upsell number 2, Expert Value Path, $27. Structure your offers like a pro with value ladders, premium positioning, and more. Bump offer, one-click bonus creator, $9.95. Instantly generate bonuses to increase the value of your offer and drive more sales. Upsell number 3, Conversion Funnel AI, $47. This tool builds out a full funnel blueprint for your product, including upsells and page flow. Bump offer, Funnel Fast Action Booster, $9.95. Adds urgency, scarcity, and persuasive triggers to boost your conversions. Upsell number 4, Reseller License, $97. Get 100% commissions on the entire funnel. Perfect if you plan to promote this yourself. Bump offer, Instant Affiliate Profit Toolkit, $9.95. Plug and play templates and tools for launching affiliate offers quickly. Pick the upgrades that match your business goals and skip the ones you don't need. They're all optional, but super helpful if you're serious about launching faster. What I like about Fast Track Course Blueprint 2.0. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, no tech skills required. The AI tools save hours of writing and setup time. You get a full product creation plus launch system in one. It's affordable with no monthly fees. What could be better? While it's a powerful system, it's not magic. You'll still need to take action and follow the steps. This isn't a get-rich-quick gimmick. Also, If you want to build extremely complex apps or high-end software products, this tool may be too simple for that. But for 95% of people trying to launch a digital product, this is more than enough. Final thoughts. If you want to stop spinning your wheels and finally launch a product, build your email list, or start selling digital offers online, Fast Track course. Blueprint 2.0 is 100% worth checking out. Click the link below to grab your copy. And don't forget, I bundled in some amazing bonuses just for you if you use my link in the description. Thanks for watching my Fast Track course Blueprint 2.0 review. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.